everybody, hope you're all doing okay. Today hopefully I'm going to get the floor of the van completely finished. I'm totally not up for this today. I'm absolutely hanging. I've got a cold. The van isn't going to do itself. Here we go. Right guys, plan is expanding foam on the edge right the way around. A little bit of insulation board here in this area, and then screw the original floor back down. So I'll catch you in a bit. Okay guys, as you can see I've put a thin bead of expanding foam. I've gone right the way around. So I'm just going to give that 15-20 minutes now to go off, and then I'm going to go around the edge with this foil tape. Okay, see you soon. Okay, the seal, as you can see now, it's all been sealed right the way around on the edge. What I've noticed in a few places is that the tape has started just to come up slightly in a few places. So I'm going to do, I'm going to put this sticky floor protector down as another layer on top of all this as an extra vapor barrier, and that's really sticky stuff, so once it goes down it's not coming back up. So then hopefully it'll hold all the tape in place in the years to come. But it's really sticky stuff and it's going to be really tricky. I wish Beck was home. Okay, all done. It's probably hard to see, but it's totally covered. It's probably a double layer actually, with the width of the roll overlapping each time. I've overlapped this, just gone just up to here, so from there now down right the way across, back up to the other side here, It's totally sealed. I did mess up a little bit there on that bit, but it's in the garage, it doesn't matter. And then on the back edge here, silicone down in there. I can still take this off. I've gone right the way along. And to be honest, this is sealed now, like it's as tight as a duck's. And anyway, I'll just show you around the side. Done the same here. So now that's all sealed. Time to put the, oh, that's what I've done as well. I've marked out all the floor where the timbers are going. Marked all the sides on the walls, all across there. So I know exactly now where to put the screws. Right, time for the original floor. As I said earlier, all the van has been marked out, so I know exactly where to screw and not screw. I'm going to use 32mm drywall screws. I'm going to pilot hole each time as well. I'm going to countersink. I'm going to countersink each hole. I'm going to use 32mm drywalls because with the thickness of the batten and the actual thickness of the floor, this hopefully I'm not going to go down through the floor of the van. Right, I told you I'd show the bad bits as well as the good bits. Here's a bad bit. 100mm out. That's where the original floor is going to finish. But sugar happens, and I'll just cut that out there now. Drop a bit of batten in, screw it in, job done. Right, before I cut this out, this tool was given to me years and years ago by my dad. I didn't really know what I was ever going to use it for, but it has been invaluable in the build. I've used it to cut all the foam, everything. It's brilliant. Cheers, Dad. Right, just cut it out now. Didn't take long. I'll drop a bit of batten in there, now screw it up. Foil over the top, a few layers of sticky plastic. They look like nothing have ever happened. And as if by magic, there's two. No, I just thought I'd put another one across there, because this is going to be an area where we're going to be walking in and out. I just wanted to make sure that it would be nice and sturdy. And there's nothing going over there. Well, there is, but there's a bench seat and it'll be running across the timbers that way, so that's okay. Right, all done. That was a sideshow. back to the main event. Dun, dun, dun. Right, we are, floor's down, I'm shattered. Quick clean up. There's a Chinese tonight, definitely. No squeaks. Right, it's been a long day, but as you can see, the floor is done. My nose is done too. That is sore. But anyway, the floor's down. Take the van out tomorrow for a quick ride. Make sure there's no squeaks or rattles. But apart from that, it hasn't been a bad day. So thank you for coming along with me again, and I'll see you soon.